Hey everybody, Greg Lochner here for Pleasant Valley Outdoors. Got a mouse trap here I've built. We've got an ag building here on the farm. It's unheated, but we get a lot of mice, especially this time of year. They're coming in looking for a place to nest for the winter. So it's basically just a 5-gallon bucket. Got a piece of wooden dowel rod, an empty paint can. You can pick these up with the lid at the paint store, home improvement store for $1 or $2. Piece of wood here, piece of lath, makes a ramp. Mice will come up here, they try and get the peanut butter, they hit this, they spin, they fall inside. And what I used to do is put water in here and they'll drown. But as soon as it gets cold and that water freezes, I found out that the mice can get out because there'd be mouse droppings on top of that ice, but no mice. So what I did, I picked up some RV antifreeze and put that in there. That way it's gonna keep from freezing over the winter. That works out good. And I've got a little like a net from an aquarium. I can get the mice out of there, throw them away, recycle the antifreeze, so keep using it most of the winter. And one tip I found with these, mice they're like an edge animal. They like running along the edges of the buildings, edges of walls. So I put this against the wall where they normally run anyway. When I put it out in the middle of the barn, I didn't get too many last year. But putting up against the wall, I get usually, could be 3 or 4 a night until I kind of get them under control. So we just put this together, so we'll see what's in it tomorrow. Hey, let's check back in, see if we got any mice in here. We got one in there. This was the first night the trap was set. So it takes a little while for them to get used to it, but we got one. So give it a try, see how it works for you.